Well, are you planning to start your investment now? Well, if you're going to plan, let's consider one of the funds which is called the Kotak Standard Multi-Cap Fund. You start with 1000 rupee SIP, and if you would have done that, the 5-year rolling return for this investment has been an absolute amazing 11.23%. Well, if you would have done it for 10 years, the SIP rolling 1000 rupees parked into a systematic investment plan for the last 10 years has aggregated almost close to 14.69% return, which is excellent taking into consideration the volatility the equity markets brings. It's a multi-cap fund, which means it's going to park your money into large, mid and small, all different type of caps, which is worth investing in. Well, let's try to understand the risk parameters. The number one being the standard deviation. The standard deviation of this fund is close to 12.01, and that the industry average is close to around 7.44. It's a little higher, but the kind of return which it has given you over the period of last 5 and 10 years, it's worth investing in. The risk adjusted return, which is called the Sharpe ratio of this, is 0.74. That of the industry average is close to 0.24. It's almost 3 times higher than that of the industry average, which means it has given you fantastic risk adjusted returns when you have invested in this fund. Well, so if you're planning to start, do consider Kotak Standard Multi-Cap as a good option to look into. Please remember, you're parking your money into a risk asset, which means longer period and longer time horizon has to be kept in mind. I would say minimum 5 to 7 years plus or 10 years. That's the reason I only share returns which are 5 to 7 years plus. So well, get started, get moving, start your investment today. Look into the parameters, understand your risk. The longer the period, the better. So go ahead, make your own choices and make money when you invest. All the very best. Knowledge is power. That's what we believe in.